and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea. So if you're new here, I make vlogs, macrame, DIY stuff, mom stuff, baby stuff, all kinds of stuff. Please subscribe. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a couple different macrame knots. Now, I love macrame, and I have several videos down below that I will link that, I do different macrame knots and like show you step by step. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the berry knot, which is super, super cute. And, I use it in a lot of my pieces. I think, it just adds a lot of texture, having like that little 3D come out from the piece kind of deal. I'm going to be showing you how to do the rose knot. And the rose knot, I don't necessarily think is like, a traditional knot. I think some people have just, came up with it recently, and, I've seen it a lot lately, so I just kind of wanted to show you how to do that one, because I think it's cute and also adds a lot of texture, but it's a little different from a berry knot. Looks a little bit more elegant-y rather than just like a ball. And then I'm going to show you how to do the gathering knot. The gathering knot's really simple, but it does look a little complicated. You really don't know what you're looking at when you're looking at it, if that makes any sense. I had to Google a lot when I was learning how to do it, so I just figured I would make a video showing you. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. We are going to pop right in with the berry knot. So to do the berry knot, you have to know how to do a square knot. If you don't know how to do that, I'll link that video down below where I show you how to do that. But basically, you're going to do 3 square knots in a row. Ignore my eating finger. Okay, do 3 square knots. So I'm probably not using the best rope for this. So I am using braided rope, which is a little bit more tough to work with, but you can see the knots a little bit better using this. So that is why I'm choosing to use it. So voila, 3 knots. Now you're done. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take these 2 in the middle, the 2 strands in the middle that you have been macrameing onto, and you are gonna split this top in half, just like that. Take the 2, pull up and through. When you pull through, the piece will roll up just like so. And you've got the little ball right there. And now what you do is you take these 2 pieces on the end. They're a little far away, but you're gonna go ahead and tie another square knot and tie it at the very base down here, and that will hold it in place. So I'm gonna try to like hold this and do. A little difficult because I don't have anything above this right here, and so it's a little hard to show you, but that's the first half of the square knot done. And you go back in. Voila! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon breezy. Whatever it's called. Super easy, berry knot, bomb diggity. Okay, now if you want to continue on to the rose knot, we're just going to start right here from the berry knot, and you make a berry knot, and then you take the little ropes at the bottom, you wrap it around the top, so you hold them, oopsie, you hold them, give it a little twisty-wisty, wrap like that, and you can see you've made a little loop right here, and you just kind of pull those ropes through that loop, and just make sure that it stays on top of the berry knot. You basically just tie like a little knot on top of it and pull it to the top, and when you do, you can adjust it however you like, push it behind, however you want them to come through, just like that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the gathering knot real quick. It might not be the prettiest gathering knot, but it gives you the gist on how to do it. So what you're going to do, you're going to have your ropes here. This could be the beginning of a piece, the end of a piece. I just have them hanging, so it's really, this isn't really, where you're gonna start the gathering knot. I'm just showing you how to do it. So what you're gonna do, you have to have an excess piece of rope, not one from the piece, an extra one, separate. And you're gonna start by kind of getting it, vertical with a piece, just like that, just like so. And I just kind of hold it like that and then pinch and make a little loop. It doesn't have to be a big loop, just big enough. So right about like that. And literally, you just take the extra rope here and start wrapping around the whole piece. So make sure when you wrap, you get everything in it, just like that. And just wrap all the way down, all the way to the top, however you want to do it. Just wrap. Super, super simple. And once you reach the bottom here, you're gonna take the little extra rope, take your loop, push it through just like that. Take the top here where you made it lay, take the top right here where you made it lay vertical and pull. And when you do, you'll notice that bottom loop starting to tug that excess in. And you just tug as hard as you can. And oh, yep, perfect. Uh-oh, it went out of focus. Come back, come back. You just tug on it until all of that shoots up inside and boom, you're done. And now what you do for the top part, you just snip it just like that. And you take your scissors, whatever you got, and you can just tuck that rope down into it. And you literally have made your gathering knot. Super simple, super easy. I hope that was easy for you to understand. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big old like and subscribe. Please don't forget, and leave a comment down below of any kind of macrame, any kind of video suggestion at all. It doesn't even have to be macrame related. If you want to see, you know, more vlogs, if you want to see more whatever, just let me know. And any, you know, get specific with me. Get specific. I want to know what you want to see. If you want to see different knots on macrame, if you want to see different wall hangings, if you want to see, I don't even know, how I design a piece, how I think to design. I don't even know how to do that, really, if I'm being honest. I just kind of make it up. But, yeah, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. And I hope you have a great day, and God bless.